नमस्कार दोस्तों, मेरा नाम है प्रश्नचित प्रश्नवाचक। आपका स्वागत है आज के ग्लोबल पीस एडिशन फेक पॉडकास्ट में। आज के हमारे गेस्ट हैं वही जो एक बार आके जा चुके हैं, द मैन हिमसेल्फ, द हेडलाइन हिमसेल्फ, मिस्टर डोनाल्ड सीज़फायर ट्रम्प।
Pullman Diet Coke. Boom! It's a global harmony! I'm a tag of ceasefire.
हाँ। If someone break the ceasefire.
Wait, what? Who's fire? What fire? Okay, that's funny. That's a joke. That's funny.
थैंक यू। आपको वाकई ऐसा लग रहा है कि आपके कहने से सीज फायर हो जाता है?
What are you trying to say?
Sir, I'm saying what happens if someone break the ceasefire.
Wait, what? Who's fire? What
Sir,
fire?
I'm repeating. What happens if someone break the ceasefire?
Gentlemen, you have a nice, beautiful voice, like a girl. Use it. It's such a waste. Speak from your chest. Use your chest.
Mr. President,
Louder.
I'm asking what happen if someone break the ceasefire?
Wait. Can you repeat the last part? What did you say? Can you repeat one more time?
Ceasefire, sir.
Young man, can you speak a little louder? Louder. You are talking like a girl, a pretty girl.
So what will happen if someone breaks your ceasefire?
Oh, nice. That's a nice question. That's actually a nice question. Nice question, like tremendous question. Let me tell you, I will make boom. I will make a tremendous boom. I will make peace. I will make ceasefire, and I will get a peace award into pieces.
जब इंडिया पाकिस्तान का वॉर हो रहा था,
Yeah,
ठीक है, आप आए, आपने बीच में बोल दिया सीज फायर,
I do.
मान लिया दोनों ने आपकी बात को?
Absolutely, I was there. Absolutely, my friend, you are right. If I was not there, the LOC will become the end of control. जब दोनों countries के सिपाही अपने अपने हथियार लेके खड़े थे, I was there. Yeah, and I said, guys, behave.
ऑफिशियली तो आप कहीं मेंशन नहीं है बीच में कि आपने सीज फायर करवाया।
Oh no. Only my presence need.
अच्छा,
Only. I'm like manga. Make armies go away.
तो आपकी डिप्लोमेसी का मतलब यह है कि गिफ्ट रैप में आप मिसाइल पैक करके दे दोगे? पाकिस्तान ने अभी आपको शांति अवार्ड देने के लिए बोला था, लेकिन आपको पसंद नहीं आया शायद। आपने क्या किया? तुरंत ही आपने ईरान पे बॉम्ब गिरा दिए।
Look, my friend, I just want to tell you one thing. Who never knew. They said I will get a peace award. I thought they meant I have to find a piece and get into the pieces. Then I will get a peace award. And then I do the mission accomplished.
तो बेसिकली आप ये कहना चाह रहे हैं कि आप तो शांति का प्रदर्शन करने गए थे, लेकिन गलती से फायरवर्क्स चालू हो गए।
Exactly. You are right, my friend. You are right. Exactly. I explode the piece into the world. Boom! It's a global harmony.
आई थिंक आपको अवार्ड के साथ साथ एक डायरेक्टरी अवार्ड भी देना चाहिए।
You are the fake podcast.
यस
Fake podcast. Fake podcast.
वी आर फेक पॉडकास्ट। आपने कहा था कि आप शांति के दूत हैं,
Absolutely.
आप शांति लेके जाते हैं, आप सीज फायर करवा देते हैं। आपके इंस्टा स्टोरी पे था साइलेंस बिफोर द बूम।
Oh, exactly. It was the marketing plan. When nobody thinking about this thing, I will make boom. I just made a tweet. और world में peace हो जाता है. People are saying China will not listen to me, and I said, guys, hold my Diet Coke. Everyone think I'm a joke, but I am saving the world. Believe me, I am the unpaid intern of MAGA.
तो अभी पीस का क्या नेक्स्ट प्लान है आपका?
Oh, it's simple. Like me, it's simple. It's very tremendously simple. मैं दोनों लोगों के बीच में cease fire करके I will open a petrol pump. And it will available only in Trump coins.
नाइस।
My friend, it will become the peace of land petrol pump. Half oil, half optimism, and full payment in Trump coin.
तो अभी आप ऑयल पे भी ट्रेडमार्क ले लेंगे?
Yeah, already. It's Petromaga TM. सबसे ज्यादा जलने वाली चीज after CNN.
हर बात का क्रेडिट आप ही क्यों ले लेता है? यहाँ पे सीज फायर हुआ, आपने क्रेडिट ले लिया, वहां सीज फायर हुआ, आपने क्रेडिट ले लिया।
See, my friend, I don't want to take any kind of credit, but the credit मेरे सामने आकर रोने लग जाता है कि भैया प्लीज मुझे ले लो, मुझे ले लो, nobody is taking me, प्लीज मुझे ले लो, and I became in the battleground and I take credit.
तो फील्ड में भी तो आओ आप कभी, सब कुछ हो जाने के बाद आप फील्ड में आते हो, क्या तो मैंने करवा दिया सीज फायर।
I'm the tremendous mega bat. जब मैं पढ़ता हूँ, nobody can see me, but the fact everyone can see.
आप अक्सर बोल देते हैं कि मेरे ट्वीट सबसे ज्यादा शांति का काम करते हैं।
Absolutely, absolutely.
सच में ऐसा लगता है आपको?
Yeah, it's true. Because my tweets are nuclear bomb.
तो फिर एक ट्वीट से सारी दुनिया का स्ट्रेस कैसे खत्म हो जाता है?
The world leaders are thinking I'm the crazy kind of a guy who can say, inject the Dettol, who can do anything with his tweets. When I am happy, UN delegates said, Trump is happy, everyone is safe. The world is safe, the world is happy now.
तो बेसिकली आप कहना चाह रहे हैं कि आपके जो ट्वीट्स हैं ग्लोबल ट्रैंकुलाइजर है?
Absolutely, my friend. You are right. You are right. You are tremendous. Believe me.
आप आपका भ्रम तोड़िए। आपको ऐसा लग रहा है कि आपके ट्वीट से कहीं शांति हो रही है, लेकिन ऐसा नहीं हो रही है।
Young man, behave yourself. You can't doubt my tweets. It's not an opinion. This is a prophecy.
But sir, trust me, you are not even tagged in the any ceasefire statement.
I am the permanent tag of the entire world.
No, you are not.
Young man, I am the permanent tag of the world. I'm the tag of ceasefire. I'm the tag of peace. I'm the tag of pieces.
अब आप ओवर रिएक्ट कर रहे हैं।
Overreact? Really? Do you think I'm overreacting? Do you have any idea if I was not there? The world was raised big and already. Ukraine, Russia, India, Pakistan, and the Iran and Israel. If I was not there, nobody stop.
So, do you have any advice बच्चों के पालन पोषण के लिए?
Sometimes you see two children are fighting in the park. They're fighting each other. They hate each other. They're beating each other. They are kun and kun. They are bleeding. You're trying to pull them out, but they don't. उनके कपड़े फट जाते हैं, लड़ाई में बहुत ज़्यादा खून एम खून हो जाता है. Then you think थोड़ी देर इनको लड़ने देते हैं. Then I will beat one by one और दोनों को अलग कर दूंगा.
I don't think that's what you are supposed to do.
It's pretty known analogy. Do you have kids?
No?
And they fight. Then you think, let them fight for a while, and then it will become sport. Then you can sell the ticket for the entertainment.
So you have been selling the ticket for the entertainment.
Exactly. We can sell anything.
Mr. President, we are not talking about the countries.
The what we are talking about?
We are talking about kids.
Kids. Kids are very innocent, very pretty. Listen, kids, don't smoke, don't drink, don't do tattoo on your body. Be happy, be tremendous, be rich, be grateful to your parents and your country.
एक सेगमेंट है छोटा सा।
Okay.
ये शब्द किसने कहे?
Amazing. That's tremendous. That's tremendous. Do you know, my friend, what? I wrote many quotes more than Gandhi ji. Bring it on.
तो सर पहला है कि डेमोक्रेसी इज जस्ट नॉट अ वर्ड, इट्स अ फीलिंग।
Obviously me. Yeah, tremendously me. There is the fulfillment of the democracy and the feeling of richness. That's me.
रॉन्ग सर।
Oh,
मतलब मोदी जी ने कहा था यूएन समिट में।
no problem, my friend. Modi is my friend. I said to the Modi, please, can you repeat this? And Modi said.
ठीक है, अगला कोट पढ़ते हैं। If you attack us, we will respond like thunder.
That's exactly me, my pal. That's exactly me. Lightning, thunder, power, and the full of nines. Exactly Donald J. Trump.
ये पुतिन जी ने बोला था आफ्टर नेटो स्टेटमेंट।
My pal, are you trying to prove me wrong?
नो।
Then ask only good questions.
आसान सा कोट पूछ लेते हैं कि वी विल फाइट एज लॉन्ग एज इट टेक्स बिकॉज फ्रीडम इज नॉट नेगोशिएबल। ट्रम्प या जेलेंस्की?
It's too much passionate, but I think it's scripted. If I wrote this, I say the freedom is priceless. I think that's Zelensky only.
राइट जेलेंस्की, वेरी गुड सर। नेक्स्ट पे आते हैं। इंडिया एंड पाकिस्तान हैव अ लॉन्ग हिस्ट्री ऑफ टेंशन ओवर कश्मीर। ट्रम्प या फिर विकिपीडिया?
My friend, India want peace. Pakistan want attention and I want a golf course between both.
ट्रम्प ने बोला था ईरान इज थ्रेट बट आई लाइक द कारपेट. ट्रम्प या कोई और मिडिल ईस्ट एनालिस्ट?
Oh, it's totally me. It's totally me. Iran is aggressive, but the quality of carpet is good.
आप फिर से जीत गए. वेरी गुड, बधाई हो. नेक्स्ट है कि इफ यूक्रेन डज नॉट विन दिस वॉर इट्स बिकॉज दे डिड नॉट हायर मी.
It sounds like a statement. That's me. Always me.
वेरी नाइस, वेरी नाइस. नेक्स्ट है व्हाट यू वांट, पीस अवार्ड और अवार्ड इन पीसेस?
Haha. Let me complete. I will take all pieces of all countries. Then I will make peace award for me.
एक कार्टून है सिम्पसन, प्रेडिक्शन उसकी बहुत ज़्यादा हद तक सच हो जाती है.
Okay?
उसकी प्रेडिक्शन ये भी थी कि आप स्वर्ग से धार गए हैं.
Mapal, do you really think any cartoon can kill me with the predictions?
आई एम जस्ट आस्किंग.
Don't worry about me. Don't worry about yourself. Don't worry about any cartoon prediction. Just think, I'm tremendous and nobody can kill me. Thank you so much.
सर आर यू ओके सर? अरे पानी लेके आओ कोई सर.
I'm back! My Paul, nobody can kill me. I'm Donald J. Trump and I'm tremendous and I will make America great again. Thank you so much, Paul. Thank you.
You are a very naughty American guy.
Absolutely.